Hi guys, welcome back to the Blood, Sweat and Gears YouTube channel. Today, Stingy Roger's on holiday, so we've stolen his camera gear and his bike and we're going to go on a ride and try and put a video out for you guys. Just going to go through some local trails, nothing too crazy because we're with e-bike's part shop on his brand new bike. He's still kind of getting used to it. So yeah, it's just going to be a nice leisurely ride and we'll see how it goes. Now we're following Ronnie from e-bike park shop on his Talaria Sting, cheapest in the UK. This is only his third or fourth time out on it and he's doing pretty well. But anyway, you may be wondering why the Sur-Ron isn't here. But what I'm doing to the Sur-Ron at the moment is I've completely stripped it down and sent it off to be powder coated. I'm not going to tell you what colour it is, but once we get it back, I think you're all going to love it. I've not seen any other Sur-Ron this colour before. I've not cheaped out on any parts to go along with it. I've even got clear PPF stickers to protect it. So yeah, that's why the Sur-Ron isn't here. And you go first. We should do a drag race.
Yeah.
Okay, what side do you want, left or right?
Intro though first.
Okay.
Do you reckon on the GoPro or film?
Yeah, I'll just film it on here.
Film.
I'm doing it already though. So we're going to do a little drag race across this field. Standard Talaria versus a upgraded 60 volt battery Talaria running around I think 13ish kilowatts. I think you know already what's going to win, but we're going to do it anyway. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Stingy Roger's got this bike's throttle tuned to be a bit more gentle from the get-go to avoid wheel spinning or accidentally looping on tight trails, something like that. So as you could tell, the normal Talaria actually pulls away slightly quicker, but once this gets going, there's no competition really. Following Ronnie again. He's getting better. Starting to stand up more. You guys know that when you're in the forest, you're pretty much always standing up, unless you're just going slowly over something smooth. Oh, a bit soggy there. Nah. One thing I say about the Talaria Sting is, you do notice it's much heavier than the Sur-Ron. A bit wider too. Just feels a bit bigger, more like a motorbike than a mountain bike, which isn't a bad thing, but obviously just depends what you like. Yeah, sunny. I better not go there through there with Stingy Roger's stickers on. Might get some swell marks. This way! I have no idea where we are. Yeah. Let's go around this one. Ah! That's exactly where I wanted to end up. What?
It's literally completely off.
What was... Oh, it's beeping red.
Yeah, it is. No, it is.
Okay, I'll do one more.